Okay. Hi everybody, it's Queen here, and today I'm going to talk to you about phases of matter. First, please subscribe, share, like, and comment what would you like to see in the next video. Let's get started. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. So an example for that would be a rock on one side and nothing on the other side. The mass is on the rock, and also on the other side there's no space, so it would be totally air. And the next one I'm going to talk about is property. It's the characteristics, features, traits, color, shape, mass, buoyancy, and texture. So I listed 4 things that were like for my 5 senses. I first did it's blue and it's soft, it's smooth and soft, it's a solid, and it has a terrible smell. Next, I'm going to talk about particle. So a particle is a tiny piece, fragment, or an atom, but you can't see atoms. For my example where I just put dots that were kind of like atoms, and then I put really tiny. You can barely even see them. Next, I'm going to talk about the states of matter. States of matter is how matter can be a solid, liquid, or gas, also known as phases forms. First, I'm going to talk about a solid. Solid has a definite shape and definite volume. Particles are packed tightly and shake in place. For example, I have an ice cube, which ice cube is very hard and it's a solid. So they're very tightly packed. They're just like that. They're not moving, they're just shaking in place. Next, I'm going to talk about a liquid. A liquid has defined volume but takes its container shape. Particles are loosely packed and slowly moving. For the example for that is I have a glass of water. The water is the liquid, and the liquid is taking this container space, and they're slowly moving. So it would be like this. They're only doing this, and they're only moving. Last, I'm going to talk about a gas. A gas has no defined shape nor volume. It expands to fit shape, size of container. Particles are spread apart and fast moving. So, for example, it's air. You don't see the air, but it's air. Like have air outside, air in here. So, and also, I'm just going to put my hands. They're like this. They're like all moving all around. Melting is temperature increases, particles spread, and matter changes from a solid to a liquid. So, for example, a solid, I put another ice cube, and then I put an arrow, and then I wrote down add heat. And then I put on a little puddle, and then I put H2O, which stands for water, and then I put above it liquid. So mostly you add heat, and it just melts. So next is evaporation, which mostly, like all of you would know. Temperature increases, particles speed up, and matter changes from a liquid to a gas. For example, I have a pot of water. I had a picture of a pot of water, and then I put an arrow and said add heat. Then I put all dots, and then I put in the middle of it gas. So next is condensation, which all of you may know. Temperature decreases, particles slow down, and matter changes from a gas to a liquid. So it would start at a gas, which is air, and then you would say remove the heat, and it would go back to a liquid. Next, the last one is freezing. Temperature decreases, particles will slow down, and matter changes from a liquid to a solid. So that is, I did a picture of a faucet, and I drew ice cubes. And then I put an arrow and I said remove heat. And then I got the ice tray and I did an ice cube and I pointed to it where it was. So that's all for today, folks. I hope you like this video. Till next time, bye!